We will pick up the custom shape here. We have taken a static shape. Embed the image again. So that's the image we will use over it. Make it fixed. So we have generated a clipping mask over it. We can move the image there. Also use the shapes over it to cover up that area. So let's use the angles and paint there.